dancing through the Napa light. Whispers in the breeze, a soft ballet. Nuclear stations dream of feathered play. They weave the sky with wings of grace. Silent stories in their haste. Songs of travel, songs of home. In their dance we're not alone. Murmurs rise with warmth.